One of the former companies I worked for had the foresight to see that the third eye camera system was very valuable. And I was fortunate enough to be on the ground floor of that when that process began. And when I left that company, I always remembered the third eye camera system. If it doesn't do anything else, it allows you to have some accountability. It will clear you if you're not wrong, but if you are wrong, it will convict you. Not only does it give you your GPS, it gives you your breadcrumb, you can see where your trucks are, when they were there, what they were doing. It also gives you in-cab camera capabilities for in the event there is an incident. And Third Eye's monitoring service sends you those video clips if there's something that you should be aware of. The reports that you can generate in Third Eye are invaluable because there's so much data that can be gleaned from those. What's your riskiest driver? What's your most cautious driver? What is the most common occurrence in your trucks that causes you a problem? But now it's gotten to the point where our guys are so tuned into that if they think they did something wrong, like if they may have rolled through a stop sign or something like that, they will call me and tell me, James, you may get an alert because this happened. And so they don't want to be picked on Thursday morning when we do our safety meeting, so they go ahead and let me know about it. The number of incidents has come down dramatically from when we first started. We can run a report now where we used to get 40 and 50 incidents per driver per month. Now we may get 1 or 2 per day total on all of our trucks, and we're running in excess of 30 trucks now. So when you get that level, you can see that data shows that system is working. And the funniest thing that we do now is in cab cameras, sometimes they'll catch them singing. And so we always critique who sings the best, and we bring that up and put it on a video in the morning. It's gone from being something that the drivers could possibly have been scared of to now they embrace it, and they're happy to have it in the cab with them.